Whoa. Camera's drunk. Post processing, color curves, color lookup, color adjustments, color filter, hue shift. I think I just want to make the light less harsh. Bake it up, baby. I'm almost platinum 1, guys, which would be equivalent to gold 1 last season. And basically, if you're platinum league, that means you're good. That might be difficult for players that are bad to understand, but for players that are good like me, we know that if you're platinum league, you're good. I honestly think they fucked this up and they just were like, oh, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool now that we fucked it up. Let's just leave it. Ooh, look at that. Mr. Ledge, you can go away. It's lagging, bro. Look at this beautiful sky sphere, dude. We love it. Flowers purple. Oh my god, look at my head. Sorry about that. That's Elgato's fault. They don't know how to run a good software like I do. What if I turn it to low bitrate? Nah, it doesn't really fix much, does it? Okay, now it's good. Whoa! Now it's good. What if I turn it to highest? Look at all these bits in the rate. Whoa! It's very laggy, but I think that that's partly two things. I think that that's partly because I'm using USB when really I should just use the network, which maybe we can do right now. Does it just auto connect over the network? Maybe it does. Ezreal Fiddlesticks Nocturne. This is when you play Lucian. Support Kennen. Okay, I think that because the USB is so slow on the iPhone, like it's just really bad, that's to blame. But it could be other things, I don't know. Okay, we're going to Wi-Fi and highest bitrate. Okay, now it's on Wi-Fi mode. Wi-Fi mode has been enabled. All right. I don't know if this is going to be better or if it's going to be worse, but it's going to be different. It's going to be something new. Look, at finished baking my light maps. Bro, it's too bright. Why is the brightness like this? Bro, you've made it too bright. There were two things that I wanted for this tree here. Because in the original version, you like see through the little branches. It's really cute. We're going to scale him down a little bit. think this is not said to be ground. I guess that makes sense. I guess it makes sense why you can get stuck on it then, huh? Maybe the bridge is like that too. Huh. Good point. Good point. It has collision, but it's not on the ground layer. There we go. What you're playing ADC? A good one, like Lucian or something. See, this is the problem that I was saying before. I think that we walked forward and the LOD group stuff kicked in, and then the total bridge wasn't in the group, you know what I'm saying? I just accidentally moved it a tiny bit. Yeah, Lucian good here. Okay. Now it is a ground bridge. It's fucking bullshit on the bridge, is what it is. We can fix a collision later. That's not really that big of a deal. We want to make a teleporter today. Teleporter. I'm a bit of a cull enjoyer nowadays.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift. 30 seconds until minions spawn.
Interesting. Would have been good if my team wasn't AFK, like if we were all here. Hooking the Nautilus over the wall would have been really nice.
Minions have spawned.
People are busy, they don't want to do that. Get my sports snow flash. I must remember. He's fucking up the farm.
Ally has been slain.
Okay.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Oh my god, is that level 4 Warwick? We're doomed. I'm honestly gonna hit like level 7. Mr. Pike, I'm sorry. You need to actually come and like get XP. That was a really bad flash, or flash. Whatever.
Shut down.
Really bad E. But it was also lag. If you saw how it caught me, that's kind of lag. Hey, you're all alone, mister. Could you not take the farm?
Has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Am I allowed to walk up here? Nope. Good thing I didn't. Mals, you should get those turret plates. What do you think? I'm level 8. My support's level 5. Now he's level 6. Whoa, good one, Mouse. This is the perfect gank. He's awesome! He didn't use his malefic visions on her, bro. This guy sucks balls. Okay. Essence Reaver and then Doms.
An enemy has been slain.
Deal damage. Uh-oh. He's alive. Pike's got his ult now, guys. Those guys got fucking owned, bro. This bitch is back, though.
Turret station will fall soon.
Fuck her up! Ooh. No!
Shut down.
Bummer.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, he had Ignite? Maybe it just came out. It also makes sense that he didn't think he needed it. It was just a hair away. I don't agree with this guy being top lane. It is what it is. Yeah, what is this guy doing? What are you doing, dude?
Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Double kill. An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Hey, my support's coming. Fuck you, bitch! Bonk. Oh, I don't have a mythic. I always think this is mythic. It ain't. Gale Force. Fuck it.
Dominating.
I'm not gonna be able to kill this guy.
Your turret has been destroyed. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a You have slain an enemy. Shut down.
How are they doing? Woo! He's gonna go off, dude. He's gonna go off. Nah, fuck.
Rampage.
We saw it. We saw the opportunity for him to get the fucking quad right there. All the boys and girls could see the potential. It was brewing. The potential truly was brewing in the air. Ooh, give me the blue buff. Thank you. What's this? 56 gold. I'm looking for bad guys to shoot with my guns. I found 2 bad guys. Well, there's a Vex back here too, yeah. Okay, come on. I'm fine with either play. We're giving 2 turret spot though if we go for this. Yeah, that's fine. They probably got this without me, but... Let's go.
An ally has been slain.
Why doesn't this guy have Hull Breaker? What a dumbass! What a ding-dong daddy from Doomus. What a doomass, bro. Dirt 2 never clean. I guess I go to the top lane? I don't know, dude. Probably should have sold that. I don't like walking around when I have no vision, guys. It's a little scary for me. I'm coming to the mid lane, boys! Okay. They're going in on nasal.
Double kill.
Okay.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
I have no health points. Hooray!
Victory!
Hello, Olivia. Promoted to Platinum 1. This guy's a gamer of the century. I'm gonna be Emerald League. I don't exactly love that they added another rank between Diamond and Platinum, but I guess it'll be cool. Green mode. Dude, the VC is popping on 2009 skate. Alright. We need a way to pass in a given dialogue or a given conversation. ChatGPT, give me some advice. Oops. If I want to be able to pass a given conversation in the inspector in Unity, how can I manage this script correctly? Currently, it has a bunch of placeholder text. Modularizing conversations. To keep things clean, we can define conversations outside. No, we don't want to pass this forest conversation. No, you misunderstand. I don't want to have a predefined conversation in this file. I would like to be able to pass a script or game object that has a defined conversation on it into the trigger. Now, the conversation field will appear in the Unity Inspector when you have a game object with the dialogue trigger script attached. You can assign a conversation to it. Yeah, that's basically what we want. And you convert that previous conversation dialogue into a new script that could be passed to the trigger. That's a good idea. Use the scriptable object, which allows you to create an instance of the conversation in your Unity project. You can then handle the dialogue in the Unity editor by creating assets. From the asset, create conversations. Cool. Hey, Quibster. What's cooking? We're going to make a little teleporter. Conversation script. Conversation, new conversation, dialogue script. Well, this is not really that good of an answer. That's Little Bone shooting the portal gun, bro. And then yesterday, I did a bunch of macOS stuff for GitLab, Saradomin jobs. You can do this cool thing called pipelines. CI/CD is what it's also known as. Where when you push a commit to, or when you push a commit to the branch, it can automatically run some script on like a virtual machine. It'll spin something up to compile it on their server someplace. So you don't have to generate the builds. Every time that you push a new update, it automatically builds it. So I made one for Macintosh because like you can run direct binaries on macOS like it was Linux, but Mac users don't know how to do that. So I made them just a .app like they would normally download. So all you have to do is double click it and then it goes. Instead of first open the command line, you need to add the quick. Once you have the argument set, you can then go and add the execute flag to the binary. Once you have the execute flag, then you can run it from the terminal. Look at that. That's funny. Pull that up here. Now, I think that may be a bit of a bug. I don't know if he's supposed to look like that. I think his bones got stretched out. Maybe he went through the down the crop teleporter. The Fly-esque. We did this yesterday too. You can There's now a menu in the dialogue stuff. Also, the bug where people would continue talking at the same time is gone. Now you can select different options. You know, we'll make a nicer menu system. But you can select different stuff. And that's what we're just going to use over here for, you know, select the zone that you would like to go to. It's a lot of pups talking in my game. I love that picture of little Bone licking my nose. That is such a good photo. That is such a good one. She's a bit of a nose licker. React with the laughing lizard. Yeah, the way that this should work is it should be like this. Conversation. Okay, we have a private dialogue. No, conversation is fine. Because it is a conversation. Conversations are made of multiple dialogues. Got it. Yeah, the webcam's fucked. It's bad, it's bad. We need to get another Android phone. Because I'm using my iPhone 10 currently, and it doesn't work like the Droid Cam OBS worked. I haven't looked at any replacement phone stuff. I don't have any problems with my Pixel 6. Like, I don't want to replace this right away, so I don't know. There might be a setting or something. Like, I've tried different things inside of this. Hello from the crop room. This stuff is all getting cleaned up. That blue bin is full of junk electronics from my closet. I'm cleaning this whole place out. I'm gonna have no possessions left, except for the Bonehead Shrine, which is one of the best features of my whole room. Everyone loves the Bonehead Shrine. It's got... You can't even see the Bonehead plush up there. There's a Bonehead... She's behind Squidward. We have Bonehead... Oh. It's not supposed to fall down like that. We got a Bonehead painting. Bonehead socks. A Bonehead print. A Bonehead mug. And a Bonehead plushie behind Squidward. And even a picture of me with Bonehead up. Right there. That you can't really see. I've got it all. We got Woody, QB, Jeff Dunham from H3H3, and Barry the Brick is back there too. He's a One Piece adjacent character from a YouTuber named Tekking101. He's literally a brick. Okay, anyway. what I'm saying is the old system used to work flawlessly. No bugs, no lag. And now it's bugs and lag. And it makes me mad. It's all bugs and lag. Okay, anyway. We should be able to pass in a conversation like this. And then I have force conversation. Ah, okay, no, I think that's going to work. Yeah. Okay. So I grabbed these. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay, then I create an empty game object. We call this blacksmith conversation. Add component. Script. Ooh, this is just tabbed too far. Does not exist in the current context. Already defined for conversation. Already has a definition for conversation. Oh, it's up there. I see. Okay. Sprite. NPC sprite. Sprite. Player sprite. Serialized field. Oh, it's supposed to be Oswald. Okay. And then for this, I can give it conversation game object. Okay, this should actually be a game object. Dialogue trigger, conversation, new conversation. Game object, conversation. No, that's not gonna make sense. Um, yeah, that is not gonna work. Okay. GPT, help me think through this. I thought I had an open tab, but it turns out I do not. Chat GPT. Conversation script. I think I want something like this, where I could pass in a conversation script like this. Dun, 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 dun. Your approach is valid and looks good. You have divided the responsibilities between two classes, dialogue trigger and blacksmith conversation. The dialogue trigger class is responsible for triggering the conversation, and blacksmith conversation class contains the conversation details. There's a little more. Make the conversation public. In your blacksmith class, make the conversation field public, or provide a public getter method for it so it can be accessed by the dialogue trigger. Assign the conversation in the inspector. In the dialogue trigger, you have a serialized field for conversation. You'll need to assign blacksmith conversation to it, either manually or in the Unity inspector through a script. You might create a method to initialize it on the specified NPC or location. Boom, 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 boom. See, I don't want to have a specific class for each conversation, because then I need to define them all in the how can I create a system where I can create a new conversation in a file and then pass that into the dialogue trigger? Dialogue conversation script, dialogue. Conversation asset. Create dialogue conversation, create a new conversation asset. You can define your dialogues directly in the Unity editor or for this asset. Assign conversations to triggers. And I edit a scriptable object in C#. I think that it's got something going here. Dialogues. I could just have them inherit from... Here's a new idea. We create dialogue scripts like this blacksmith one, but they inherit from a dialogue from a conversation script class. That way we can assign them in the inspector. Assign the conversation details here. I see. Okay. You can create game objects that have specific conversation scripts attached to them, and then assign those game objects in the dialogue trigger. The dialogue trigger will use the conversation defined in the attached conversation script. Perfect. Okay, that's what we want. That's what we want. Conversation script. Okay, then the dialogue trigger takes a private conversation script, conversation, and it takes conversation.conversation. Protected. Conversation, get conversation. Holy shit, dude, the power in my house is so fucked up. The power is so fucked up. You know what it probably is? I know that my neighbors have solar panels, and they don't have a battery system. It feeds directly into the grid. I'll fucking bet you that my house draws off my neighbor's solar panels, and the fucking voltage drops or something when a cloud goes overhead. So really, my neighbors are fucking me. Hardcore, bro. I think that's what's happening here. Plausible. Okay. Now, I have this blacksmith conversation, okay? And then inside of this, conversation script, blacksmith conversation. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go. Okay. I walk into this, and it works just like it did before, except for it's handled way better than it was before. Okay. And then over here, I create a new blacksmith conversation. That's fine. I want to create a new one like this. Where is he? B for blacksmith. Data structures, world events. There he is. Okay, this one is actually called teleporter conversation. Now, you might be thinking, why would you have a conversation with a teleporter? I'm allowed to do whatever I want. Did you ever think about that? Boom, 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 boom. I'm a teleporter. Pick where you want to go. Place 1. Place 2. Place 3. And then these need to... I need to have an option to trigger an event. Because all conversations can do is load another conversation. But if we have an event trigger of some kind where you can put in a predefined function, then we can teleport people to different places. Okay, so I go here. I go create empty, we call this teleporter conversation. We add in a teleporter conversation here, NPC. This is, doesn't matter because I don't really care. And then in this game object, we set the conversation to the teleporter conversation. So if I go over here and hit this, I'm a teleporter, pick where you want to go. And then these don't actually do anything, so... This should go here. My fan's spinning up! Bro, I can't wait to be Emerald League. Everyone's gonna think I'm so cool. Finally. Finally. This makes it right. All the troubles and trials and tribulations. Finally, I get what I deserve. Emerald League. Dialogue option. Okay. We want that to happen. Not here. That's good. Don't worry about that. This is also fine. Don't worry about this. Dialogue Manager needs the ability to take a function. Can we add the ability to pass a function into a conversation? It would trigger on the conversation. Oh, into a dialogue. It would trigger when the dialogue is triggered. Leona Lee Sin. It's gonna be Leona Lee Sin Lux. Who else has an L in their name? It's gonna be lots of L boys. Who got L's in their name? Lulu. Yeah, there we go. Lulu, Lucian, Lilia, Lysandra, Leona, Lisin, LeBlanc. And then they're gonna get the L because they're against me, the greatest player of all time. It would trigger when the dialogue is triggered. You can add a delegate to the dialogue class that represents a function to be called when the dialogue is triggered. Here's how you'd modify the existing class to allow a function to be executed for each dialogue. Dialogue system action on trigger. Delegate to hold the function for to be called. Advanced dialogue. Current. Okay. Advanced dialogue. Dialogue options should also allow for function calls. Yes! Dude, this layout is so good. Everything makes so much sense. It's so modular. Everything's readable. You could do it all in a script. Holy shit, dude. What good engineering we have. You are so smart. Fuck! I tried to hit E, but I pressed W instead. Whoopsie. Lee Sin, fuck off. My whole team's AFK. This is not fair. Lee Sin, fuck off, bro.
First blood.
What? Wait, so he reconnected to the game and instantly died? He walked into the enemy team that we had vision of? What? I don't understand, Lee Sin, or Thrash. Why did you do that? What the fuck? Oh, I thought I had E again, but I don't.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. You have been slain.
Get to.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay, not bad. He even gave me a little Xbox controller emoji. Dude, we're friends. Me and GPT are friends for sure. As a large language model, I don't have friends. Shut the fuck up. You know who I am, ChatGPT. You're my friend. And you give me the best answers because I give you fun problems about video games. He plays so hard to get, but deep down he knows that he's my friend. Yeah, we just slow push this so the Thresh can get a base off, even though he has pots and full everything. Nice. Interesting. I don't know why he did that. Wow. Oh, why? Dude, the Q's gonna be massive. He missed it. Oh, he has... I thought that he had Conqueror. Okay, that makes sense. I thought that he was gonna get off a Conqueror Q that gave him a triple kill. I didn't even mean to pick Varus. I don't know how this character works. This is a bit of a whoopsie doodler. Ooh. We're playing with people that know what the fuck is up, even though they might walk into the... They might walk into the entire enemy team for no reason at level 1, but... They do be kind of making plays sometimes, though. Okay, and they also do be fucking up the farm sometimes. Careful, Hecarim. My bot lane's missing. Hero. What? This game is bugged. They went in opposite directions. Hooray! Great job, guys. Even if they don't like me. It's okay. Not everyone has to like me. They're just jealous that they're not as good as me. At Varus, the character that I played. Probably in ARAM before. You know, he's one of those characters. I don't know, Jace. This is not looking like a fight that's your favorite to win. Give him the fucking smack back. Oh no, you're in the wrong mode now. How did he live? What? That's crazy. I thought that switching to ranged mode was a mistake. It turns out it was not. I don't like fighting them here. I think that they're stronger than us, would be my guess. Yeah. That wasn't smart. We shouldn't fight them.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Yeah, it just feels too dangerous to be up this far. Like, I'm such an easy target to murder, especially if she's going lethality. So we're not gonna win straight up fights, 2v2. Sivir's going to use her boomerang blade. Fuck me up. Good. I thought that guy was taking Rift Herald a second ago, no? Woo! Close.
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Let's push bot.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Nice work, team. Why are they fighting? They should have just ran. What?
Shut down.
Okay. I have $2,000. Yo, I was cleaning my room yesterday and I found 50 bones, dude. Fuck yeah! There was a $50 USD bill. A little future investment in myself, I guess. I decided to leave it laying around.
Turret
Fuck
plating
yeah,
will fall
dude!
soon.
On Twitter, a man that I follow says they should turn newly unboxed MacBook into a cologne. I agree. Brand new anything always smells fucking... It's got that new car smell, you know what I'm saying? How do we bring that unique freshness to the human body?
An ally has been slain. Triple kill.
I don't know what I'm doing! Aromatherapy wing to crop industries. Not a bad idea. One of our scents. Freshly washed bonehead.
Your team
She's clean! With dog shampoo.
rampage.
When you smooch a dog they're dried off, they don't smell like wet dog. They smell like freshly cleaned dog. Super dog. She's coming back from the lake today. One of my best friends in the whole world. I'm coming. Uh-oh.
An enemy has been
He
slain.
made a whoopsie. Where's my mid? Oh, she's top lane.
Your
Okay, my top lane is dead, my mid lane is top, and I'm mid. That leaves nobody bot lane.
ally has been slain.
And now my mid lane's dead. This is bullshit. I don't think that this is a great idea. Okay, they have 4 mid. Yeah. 4 mid, 4v3, it's probably not that great of an idea. But you never know, maybe we clean it up, boys! Okay, they're cleaning it up. Okay. I'll take 2 for fucking 4, that's 2 for 5? Okay, that's good. I'll take 2 for 5. There was... They had everybody already there. I needed the cleanup crew to arrive.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I think that I just want to go for shield bow.
Has destroyed a turret.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. I'm just pushing mid. Rotating.
An ally has been slain.
How you doing?
Double kill.
I'll pick that one up too, no worries. That one's for me, of course, because I did all the work. Wow.
An enemy
That guy
has
got
been
fucked.
slain.
Pick up red, go mid. This ability is really good. Dude, they never changed it. Varus flings out a tendril of corruption. That's what I know about Varus, is that he likes to throw out a tendril of corruption. And also, I'm pretty sure that this character is based off of a guy from Berserk. I'm pretty sure about that. Varus is one of Quib's favorite champions of all time. Well, I dedicate this win to Mr. Quib. How's this guy doing? What was this flash about? Anybody know? That was a very strange flash. I would do it. I think that he had the opportunity to one-shot that guy. But maybe he doesn't do that much damage. I don't know. I would have taken that kick. I would have done it. How'd he get over here? I think he's cheating. I think he no-clipped through the wall, dude. That's the only explanation. This guy's name is PGL. Do you think that stands for Perfect Guy Life? Ooh, you should have got hit with that. He's a perfect guy life enjoyer. It could mean nothing else. Okay. They're doing good. We have Dragon Soul coming up here. Dude, I fucked up so bad! That was the fucking snipe show right there, and I fucked it up. Fuck. I couldn't hit Sivir there. She had the Duskblade of Drakthar. She had used the Duskblade of Drakthar's passive. PGA, that's true. My dad likes to watch golf on TV. Some of those boys are pretty fucking good at golfing, I'll tell you what. Some of those boys know how to put that ball into hole. Oh, this is a throw angle. Ooh, actually it's not. This is a Jace carrying angle? Ooh, so close. Oh no! That was really bad. I'm dead. I did no damage there. I could have played that a lot better. Yeah. It's just, this is too risky of a play to make when we have Dragon Soul in 30 seconds. Why the fuck do this? You know? And Hecarim couldn't have done anything there to help me, really. I have no heal, no flash, and Leona has her ult up. I'm gonna get CC'd for the entire fight. It's just how it is. Play for Baron here. But Jace almost fucking killed everybody. It's lit. Lit! But he's asking to die here too.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Thanks for the 50G! I agree getting a pick here is kind of required. Okay, that's a good pick. I'll take that pick.
Enemy has been slain.
Take your pick. Take your pick, I say.
Enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Well played. I did nothing. Well played, guys. WP, WP.
The enemy's inhibitors respawn soon.
LeBron and Owen. What to buy? What to buy? I go mid, Jace can side lane, because he likes to side lane more than me. I have both my sums up now. Yeah, that's a pre-hook right there. I think that he just does the hook combo, wombo combo. Half hook, half throw the lantern back. Okay, this is free.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
I go bot lane. This one is fucking over, bro.
Double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Well played. I don't think I got carried that hard, but I certainly didn't play that great. I certainly didn't play that great. I give it to this guy. He played really good. Jace also played really good. Well played, boys. Well played. One step closer to becoming Emerald League. Yeah. Good idea. Spin that record, baby. DJ, spin that shit. Okay, so teleporter conversation. Here, we go like this. Place one, we say on selected equals private void teleport to stage 0. Something like that. Teleport to stage. How can I load a scene from C#? Using the scene manager, scenes in build. Oh yeah, yeah. Scene manager. Makes sense. Scene manager dot load scene. Show potential fixes. Scene index. Teleport to stage. If selected option dot next conversation does not equal null, we start the conversation. Else, we say end conversation. Cool. So what are my build settings? We have main menu, that's 0. Valley is 1. FD is 2. Targets is 3. Town is 4. So if we're in 4, we can switch to 3. Oh, sorry about this glitching. It's stupid camera bullshit. Might just be the way that the OBS stuff handles it, because it seems like it works pretty good in Camera Hub. I don't know. Turn on the flash. Ah! Now I have red eye. Whoa! Okay. Loads the main menu. Then we have the main menu go to the town. And then the teleporter can take us to scene 1. I don't know. Scene 1. Sounds good to me. Look at this. Look how far behind it is. It's bullshit. Okay, load one. Main menu. Main menu. Load game, load 4. Local game. Three scene demo. I call this one town demo. I wonder how fast it's going to be. I did a build not long ago, and I don't think it needed to compile that much, so maybe this will be fast. I don't know. So I should... Whoa, look at all the gamers. That's a lot of gamers. New direct message on Discord from Hot Chick. Careful not to open those on stream. You never know what they might contain. Stephen Bonnell was on The Biggest Problem in the Universe again. Biggest problem in the universe. Oh, they did a bonus episode too. It's Stephen Bonnell. I know my webcam's fucked. It's not my fault. It's this stupid camera thing. Look, it works fine here. But then I get glitch fest on this stupid thing. Is it because of NVIDIA background removal? No. Look at how desaturated the background is. It's kind of cool. How come it works here and not there? They should be the same thing. I'm sorry, guys. Also, hi, Magic Turtle. Are you the Magic Turtle that I know? Are you the Magic Turtle from days of old? Days of old. Oh, is this the or the VS Code plugin? I've seen this. I've seen it around. Yeah. I haven't tried it yet, but people said that it was really good. Their fucking website doesn't load. Or no, that's because I'm compiling shaders. Yeah. Probably works pretty fucking good. I feel bad for these guys though, because Copilot X is coming out, and Copilot X is going to be this but better. I haven't tried it yet though. Trusted by tens of thousands of engineers. Yeah. I don't know. Haven't used it yet. But these guys are going to be in for a bit of a surprise when Copilot X comes out and they start making $0. $500? Dude, that is not very many. Unlimited slow GPT-4 uses. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, 500 is like fucking nothing. Me and GPT are good friends. I don't know how slow a slow response is versus a fast response. Are these fast responses that I get? You know? Are these fast or are these slow? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'd say don't bet too heavy on this. They're gonna be out of business when Copilot X comes out. They are gonna be in trouble. Even their fucking websites look similar, dude. Join the waitlist. Take commands. Take command of your CLI. Forget how to delete a tag. Ask GitHub Copilot for assistance right in your terminal. How do I use FFmpeg to add a watermark to input.mp4? Here you go, dude. AI is fucking crazy. I can't even believe that we live in a time where I have access to a super intelligence. And don't fucking tell me it's not a super intelligence. If it wasn't super intelligent, I wouldn't use it. What a time to be alive. Anyway, my computer is like basically unusable while I'm compiling all of these shader variants. I'm going to catch you guys next time. I will turn on my webcam to say goodbye to you. It's all fucked up. Maybe I'll fix it. I don't know. Maybe I won't. It's messed up. It's a iOS moment. I blame iOS. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Spisu!